Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve exercise 4C. Let's see first question. First question is saying multiply. Here some number is given, you have to multiply. So you have to multiply this number 0.87 by 10. How you will multiply? Let's see it. First question. In first, I am telling you first question. Question is 0.87 by 10. Okay. How you will multiply this? See, in solution, first always you have to write question. Okay. By 10. Now, we will multiply. Give the sign of multiplication. Now, what you will do here? First you will remove point. Okay. So, whenever you will remove point, how many digit is here? After point, 2 digit. So, we will put 2 0. Then, we have removed. Then, we have to multiply with 10. Okay. Now, have written 10. Now, we can cut this 0, 0. We can cut. So, what number is left? 87 by 10. Now, in downwards, see, denominator is 10. So, here 1 0, we will put here point before 1 digit. So, 8.7. The answer is 8.7. Now, let's solve one more question. In exercise 4C, let's take fifth one. See, fifth one, how you will solve? Question is 16.32 by 28. Okay. Now, let's multiply. In solution, you will write 16.32 by 28. We have to multiply. So, 16.32 we will write and we will multiply with 28. Okay. Now, let's multiply. 8 2 is 16, 1 comes here, 8 3 is 24. And 1 here 25, then 2 comes here, 8 6 48 and 2 50, 0 5 we will write here, 8 1s 8 and this 5 becomes 13. Okay. Now 2, we will multiply 2 with all this. So let's start. 2 2s 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 6, 12, we will write 2 here, 1 comes here, 2 into 1, 2 and 1, 3. Okay. Now, let's solve this. Add students, it becomes 6, it becomes 9, here comes 6, this becomes 5 and this becomes 5 and this 1 and this 3. What comes? Will be 4. Okay. So, what you have get after multiplying? This 4, 5, 6, 9, 6. Okay. Now, we have to put point. So, see here, here is point. So, after point, how many digit? 2 digit. So, we will see in the result, we will take 2 digit and we will put point. Okay. So, after multiplying 16.32 into 28, what you get? You get 456.96. Okay. So, solve question number 1. Okay. Now, let's see second number. Second number is saying multiply each number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So, here some decimal number is given. 1 by 1 we have to multiply here. So, we will multiply this with 10. Same number we will take with multiply 100. Same number we will multiply with 1000. Okay. So, first I will solve. See here. 2 first. 0.5. Okay. Now, we will multiply. Direct I am writing solution here. In your copy you can write question and then start. Okay. Now 0.5. Question is given. You have to multiply with 10. So When see here is point, if you will remove this point, it becomes 10. Okay, then this multiplication 10 right here. So this 10 cut. What is the number? 0, 5 means 5. Okay, what you get after multiplying 10? 5. Now same number we will take and we will multiply with 100. Okay, now let's multiply. See what happened here. Here is 1 0. So this point is shifted where? Right side. So point is removed. Now here is 0.5. Here is 2 digit. So we will remove how many? 2 digit we will remove. So it becomes 5 0. Okay, you can do this by another method. See, first you will remove point, then you will write 10, then we will remove, then you have to multiply with 100, then you will write 100. Okay, now this 0 cut. What your number is get here? That is 5 into 10. Now when you will multiply this, what you get? You get 50. So here I have done direct. You can do this method also, or you can write direct also. Now let's solve 0.5 into 1000. Here we have multiplied with 10, here 100, now 1000. Now see how many 0 is here? 3 0. So we will shift this point right. How many digits we will shift? 3. Okay, 3 digits. So we have to make 3, means 1 is this. So this 1, 2 and 3. We will shift pointed and we cannot write. Okay, here because here is only 1 digit. When we shift point, no need to write. Okay, so the answer becomes 500. Okay. Now you can solve second number also. It is very easy. Try to solve all question. Now third number. Third number question is saying evaluate. So here sign is given. What you have to do? It is clear. So see first one. Here what you have to do here? You have to multiply 5.897 with 2.3. You have to multiply. Let's multiply. This is the question. In solution, same process. First you will write the question. Okay. Into 2. Now let's multiply this. 5.897 into 2.3. So how to multiply, you know? Okay. So let's start. 7 into 3, 1, 21. So 2 comes here, 1 will write here. 9 3s are 27 and 2 becomes 29. So 9 here, 2 comes here. So 8 3s are 24 and this 2, 26. 6 you will write here and 2 comes here. So now 5 and 3. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay. Now let's multiply with 2. So 2 into 7, 14. 4 we will write here. 1 comes here. So 9 2s are 18 and this one 19. 1 we will write here. So 8 2s are 16 and 1 here, that is 17. Again 1 comes here. Then 5 2s are 10 and this comes 11. Now let's add it. Here comes 1. 9 plus 4 comes 13. 3 you will write here. 1 comes here. 16 it comes here. 7 and 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15, 5. Again 1 comes here, so it becomes 3 and this 1. Now see what after multiplying what you get? 1 3 5 6 3, one number. Now next step, here is point and here also a point. Now what you will do here? You will see the place. Okay, how many digits before point is given. Okay, so let's see after digit how many point is given. So here 2. Okay, now see first one. In first number here is point. So after point, how many digit? 3 digit. And here after point, 1 digit. So here 4, here 3, here 1. It becomes 4. So 4 digit we will take. In this we will take 4 digit and we will put point. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit we have taken. Now we will put point here. So the answer becomes 13.5631. Now this is the answer. Now let's take one more example in question number 3. Let's solve this third one. Okay, you can solve, or you can solve any question. Okay, now let's solve third one. What is given? 1 and here 1. 1 1, when you multiply 1 1, what you get? 1. Okay, so see, here I am writing 0.01. This is third question. In third question we are taking 0.01 into 0.001. Okay, now you know when you multiply with 1 into 1, what you get? 1. Okay, but see, 1 we have written. Now see here point is given, and after point, how many digit? 2 digit. Okay, and here after point, how many? 3 digit. So here 2, here 3 digit. We will add, that becomes 5 digit. So in this we have to put point before 5 digit. So this is 1 digit already given. Now we will make 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have make it, and we will put point here. So answer will be 0.00001. This is the answer. Now see fourth number. Fourth question is divide. So here you have to divide 54.9 by 10. You have to divide this by 10. Now let's see how you will solve this. First I am taking. What is the question? 54.9 by 10. You will solve. See, by 10 is given, so we can write like this also. Okay. Now when you will remove this point, so you have to take 1 0 and you can write 10. Okay. When we remove this, so what you get? 549 by 10 into 10, 100. Okay. Now we have to solve this. So here is 2 digit. Okay, 2 0. So we have to take point. We have to put point before 2 digit. So from this side we will start 1 2 and we will put point here. So the answer will be 5.49. Okay. Now one more question. Let's take this number. Okay. Now what is the question? 4.672 by 8. Okay. Now 4 6 we are taking 4.672 by 8. Now this is the question. We can write 4.672 by 8. We will remove this. Okay. So how many 0 we will write? 3 0. So here you will write 3 0. Okay. Any doubt? No. Now we will divide this. Okay. Let's divide here. 8000 divide 4672. Okay. Now how many times goes? Because this. Here is 8,000 and here is 4,000 something. So below this, okay, so we will put point here and we will put 0 here. So which number is greatest right now? This number. Okay, now we will solve this. Now here how many times it goes? If 5 times, so 8 into 5, 40. So 40 we will write and we will put 30. Okay, now we will cut this. It becomes 6, 7, 2, 0. Now we can solve. Next we will see 8. 8 is 64. So 64. How many 0? 3 0. So 1 0 we will write here and we will make 3 0. When you cut this, you get 32 and this. So here is again smallest, we have to make greatest, so put 0 here. So in table 8, how many? 4 times. 8 4s are 32 and this 3 0, it becomes 32 and 3 0 we will write. It cut. So what you have get? 0.584. So whenever you will divide this, you get 0.584. This is the answer. Now let's see fifth number. Divide each of given numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now each number we have to divide with 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Let's divide it. Let's see first number. Fifth, first. Okay. Now, what is the question fifth one? That is 2.1. We have to divide this number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. First we will divide by 10. So, what you get? You get 2.1 by 10. We can write this by like this also. Now we will remove this point. So here after point, how many digit? 1 digit. So we will put 1 0 here. What you get? You get 2 1 and by 100. Now here is 2 0 it becomes. Now we will put point after before 2 digit. So it becomes 0.21. This is the answer. Now we will divide 2.1 by 100. Okay. So in this what you have seen? That here point is shifted. Where? Here left side. Okay. So 1 digit, if 1 0 then 1 digit. If 2 0 we will shift 2 digits. Now for this we have to shift 2 digit. Okay, because here 2 0. So it becomes 0.021. Okay. This is the answer. Now we will solve 2.1 by 1000. Now we have to divide with 1000. Now see, here is 3 digit. So we will shift this point before this. Okay. Before this we will shift point. Now how many digit? 3 digit we have to make. So it becomes 0.002. Okay, already 1 is given, so we have make 2 digits, so we have put 20. Now the number is 1. So what you have get? 0.0021. Now let's divide with 10,000. In 10,000, how many 0? 4 0. So we will shift 4 digit. We have to make 4 digits, so we will take 3 0 and this already 1 digit, so it becomes 4 digit and we have shifted point. So the answer is 0.0021. This is the answer. Now let's take one more example. Let's solve fifth second one. Okay. Now what is the question is? Fifth second. Question is 8.6 64. We have to divide by 10. So here see, point is here 8.64, head is 10, so this point shift where? Left side. So 10, so we will take left side, we will shift point, so it becomes 0.864. Now let's solve 8.64. We have to divide with 100. So how many digit we will shift? 2 digit here, 20. So what is the answer? 0.0864. Now same number, 8.64 by 1000. We have to shift this. How many digit we will shift? 3 digit. So the number is 0.00864. Okay. Now 10,000, 8.64 by 10,000. Now we will shift this. How many 0? 4 0. So we will make point, then we will make 4 digit 00864. So the answer is this. So see, in division, if question will ask you, we have to divide with 10, so point will shift left side. But in multiplication, point will shift where? Right side. Okay. So we have to be careful. Okay. Now let's see sixth number. Question is saying evaluate. So again you have to divide here, but you have to use another method, simple method you can say. So first let's solve first one. Question is 9.75 divide 5. 6. First 9.75 divide 5. Now let's divide it. 5 divide 9.75. Let's divide it. So here is 9. So this is greatest than this. So it comes, how many times we will take here? 1 times. Okay. So it will be 5 and after subtracting it will be 4. Okay. Now here 4 is small than this. So we have to take one more number. So from here we will take one more number here. It means we have to put point here. Okay. Then you will take this number. First you have to put point, then use this number. Now it becomes 47. So how many times goes? 9 times. So 5 into 9, 45. 45. Now subtract, what you get? You get 2. So one more number. Now we have already written point, so no need to write one more point. So direct we will put this number in this side. So it becomes 25. So in the table 5, 25 comes 5 times. So 5 we will write here and we will cut this. So what you have get? 1.95. So after dividing, what you get answer? 1.95. Now let's take one more question. That is 6 third one. Okay. 27.69 divide 30. So what is the question? 6 third one. Question is, see, question is 27.69 divide 30. Now let's divide it. 30 divide 27.69. Now here is 2 digits, so we will take 2 digits. So here 2 digits we have taken. Then what is this? 27. So 27 is less than this. So we have to take one more number. Okay. So when we taking this side, before point we have taken, after point we will take, then we have to write first point, then take this number. So number will be 276. So in the table 30, how many times goes? 9 times. If we will do 9 times, then it becomes, after multiplying 30 into 9, that is 27 to 270. Okay. Now let's subtract. After subtracting, what you get? 6. Okay. Now here is 6. Okay. Now we have to take this number, because this is only one number. We will take this number, so it becomes 9. Yeah, so it will 69. So how many times we will take here? That is 2 times. Then here you will write 60. 30 into 2 becomes 60. Let's subtract. What you get? 9. Now here what you have to do here is, only 9 is here. Okay. Now here 9 is, we have to take one more digit, but here digit is finished. Okay. So we will write 0 here. After point, many times you can take 0. Okay. So we have take 1 0. So here we have take 1 0. 1 1 0 you will take. Okay. If you will say here why we have not taken 2 0, if we will take 2 0, then you have to put one more 0 here. But only 1 0 we have to take here. So no need to write this 0 here. Only 1 0 we will write. Okay. After point we will use 1 0. So it becomes 90. So in the table 30, 90 comes how many times? 3 times. Okay. So 90, and we have cut this. So what you get? 0.923. So after dividing, what you get? 0.923. This is the answer. Now let's see 7 number question. 7 number evaluate. So you have to multiply. Here 3 numbers is given. You have to multiply this. Let's take first number. How you will multiply? 7 first. Okay. 7 first I am using. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 4.3 into 0.52 into 0.3. Okay. Now let's multiply it. One by one we will multiply. Okay. First we will take these two. So 0.52 into 4.3. Okay. Now let's multiply. 3 into 2, it becomes 6, and 5 into 3, it becomes 15, and 1 comes here. So 3 zeros are zeros, and 1 we will write here. Okay. Now let's multiply this. 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 4, 20, 0 we will write here, and 2 it becomes. So 4 zeros, and this 2 comes down. So let's add it. 6 and 8 plus 5, 13, 3 comes here and 1 comes here. It will be 2 and 2. Okay. Now what you get? 2, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now we have to put point right now. Okay. Next step is you have to put point. How you will put? See, here is 2 digit and here is 1 digit. So this 2 and this 1 digit becomes 3 digit. So we will put 3 digit after. From here we will start 3 digit and we will put point. So here we will write. Okay. Now the number is 2.236. Now we will multiply with this 0.3. Let's multiply it. So 6 into 3, 18, 8 comes here, 1 comes here. So 3 into 3, 9, and this 10. 1. 3 into 6, and 3 into 2, 6, and this one 7. 3 into 6. Now 0 is no need to write. Okay. So here is 3 digit. After point, how many digit? 3 digit. And here 1 digit. So it becomes 4 digit. So we will put before 4 digit. Okay. So from here 4 digit here. So answer will be 0.6708. This is the answer. Okay. Now students, it is very easy. You can solve all the question of 7 also. Okay. Now let's solve 8 number. So in 8, what you have to do? See, in 8, first I am telling you. Question is, first one see, first one is 0.9 and the power is given 2. Whole power is given 2. Let's write it. 0.9 and whole power is 2. So power is 2. It means it will be multiplied with same number. So it becomes 0.9 into 0.9. Okay. Now, very simple. 9 nines are, what you get? 9 nines are 81. Okay. 81 you get, and after point, how many digit? Here 1, here 1. So it becomes 2. So we will take 2 digit and we will put 0. So answer will be 0.81. Okay. Now, one more question. See, second number, 8 second number, that is 0.6 whole power 2 into 0.5. Second number, 0.6 whole power 2 into 0.5. Okay. Now, this becomes 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.5. We can write like this also. Now, next step, what you have to do? You have to multiply. First, you have to multiply this. Okay. So, 6 6 are 36 and 2 digit we have to put point. Okay. So, we have put here. Now, we have multiplied with 5. So, after multiplying this, what you get? You get 180. Okay. 180. So, 36 into 5, that is 180. Now, point we will put here 2 digit, here 1 digit. So, 3 digit. So, from here we will put 3 digit. So, answer will be 0.180, or you can write 0.18. Okay. This side 0, no need to write. Okay. This is the answer. Now, 9 number question. Let's read it. Find the cost of 36.75 kg weight. Okay. So, here cost, find the cost of this much kg. Okay. What is the price of this much kg you have to find? At the rate of rupees 12.80 per kg. So, here per kg means 1 kg. So, 1 kg price is given 12.80. Okay. So, you have to find how much kg? 36.75 kg. This much kg you have to find. What is the price of this much kg? First kg price is given. You have to find this much kg. So, what you will write? The statement is, see what you will write. 9 number, you have to find, first you will write total weight of wheat. How much? 36.75 kg. Okay. Now, cost of 1 kg is given. Cost of 1 kg of wheat. What you will given in the book? That is rupees 12.80. Okay. Now, you have to find cost of 36.75 kg of wheat. So, we have to divide here. Multiplication. You have to multiply this, then you get the answer. So, let's multiply it. 36.75 into 12.80. Okay. When you will multiply this, you get the price of this much kg. Okay. Because 1 kg price is given, you have to find this much kg. So you will multiply and you get the answer, that is rupees 470.40. This is the answer. Now let's see 10 number question. The cost of a pen is rupees 56.15. Find the cost of 16 such pen. So here 1 pen price is given. You have to find such 16 pen. Okay. What is the price of 16 pen? So you have to write here 10 number. Statement you will write cost of 1 pen, that is rupees 56.15. So you have to find therefore cost of 16 pen. So you have to find here 16 pen price. Okay. So you have to multiply. Okay. So rupees 56.15 into 16. What you get? Rupees. After multiplying you get 894.40. Okay. So this is the answer. Now let's see 11 number. In 11 number, what you have to do? See, you have to divide. First you have to remove. So first one I am telling you, 0.0072 divide 0.06. First step you have to remove point. Okay. By 0.06. We can write like this. So when you will remove this, you have to write 40. So it will be 1000 or 10,000. Okay, 40. Now we have to remove this. So we have to write here 20 means 100. Now this 20, this 20 cut. So how many 0 left? 2 means 100 is left. So 0 point. Here what you have to write? 72 by 6 you can write. Okay. Now you can cut this, you get 0.12. Okay. So in the table 6 you can cut and you get the answer 0.12. So you can do all the question. Here what you have to do? First you have to solve bracket once. Okay. Then you will solve this outside. Okay. First you will multiply, then whatever you get the answer, then you will divide with 25. Now let's see 12 number. 15 identical articles weigh 31.50 kg. Find the weight of each article. So here you have to find the weight of each article. So 15 article, total 15 article is, total weight is given. Okay, that is 31.50. Find the weight of each article. So what the statement you will write? See 12 number. You have to write weight of 15 article. Okay, 31.50 kg. Therefore you have to find one article weight. So weight of one article, that is 31.50 divide 15. Okay. So why? Because 15 article is given weight, so we have to divide here. So after dividing you get the answer is 2.1. So this 2.1 is the weight of one article. Okay. This is the answer. Now 30 number. See, question is saying 30 number. See what question is saying. The product of two number. Here product means multiplication. Okay. Some two number, that multiplication total is given, that is 211.2. If one of two number is 16.5. So in two number, one value is given 16.5. Okay. Find the other number. So you have to find other number. What is the other number? So in the previous exercise you have already done this type of question. You know, product of two number means x into y. Okay, this is suppose two number, one number is x and other number is y. So product of two number is given 211.2, and in question one is given. Suppose this one number, in this two number one is given, that is 16.5. You have to find what is the other number, what is the number is given other. So what you have to do? So you have, how you will solve this? X and this number goes this side. It means what happens here? You have to divide. Okay. So 211.2 divide 16.5. Okay. Now how to solve? You know na? Now you have to write some statement. What you will write? 30 number. See, the product of two numbers. What is given? 211.2. Okay. Next, one number. What is given? 16.5. So you have to find second number. So you have to divide. Okay. Divide 16.5. After dividing, get the answer. That is, answer is 12.8. Okay. Please solve it. Now 14 number. Question is saying 14 number. 1 dozen identical articles cost this much. Find the cost of each article. So in 1 dozen how many? 12. Okay. So 12 article is given. Price 45.96. We have to find each article. So you will write the statement here. 14. Again you have to divide here. So you will write the statement. Therefore, weight of 1 dozen article is rupees 45.96. Okay. Now 1 dozen means 12. Okay. So therefore cost of one article 45.96 divide 12. After dividing, you get the answer is 3.83. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you.